Hello guys! In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of updating your birthday information on Facebook. Whether you're seeking to correct your profile details or simply want to adjust your personal preferences, this guide will provide you with the necessary steps. So first of all, let's open the Facebook mobile app on your device. Open your profile from the top right corner. Tap on this gear icon to access the Settings menu or scroll down the page, and tap on the Settings and Privacy option to expand its submenu. Within the expanded submenu, select the Settings option to proceed. Scroll down to find the Profile Details option. This option is available in the Audience and Visibility section. Let's open it. Here you can see all the details that you already have added to your profile. In the Basic Info section, we have the Date of Birth option. To modify your date of birth, tap on Edit and tap on Edit in Accounts Center. A new page pop up on the screen. And here, enter your desired date of birth. This date of birth is used for the accounts and profiles in this Accounts Center. All the changes that you make will apply to all of your accounts. Once you've entered your updated date of birth, tap on Save and confirm by tapping on the Done button in the top right corner of the screen. Congratulations! Your date of birth has now been successfully updated on Facebook. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We're eager to hear from you.